पॉपुलर डिमांड में था ये रेसिपी, तो हम लोगों ने ले लिया। उसकी मैं आपको कृति, फिर थोड़ा सा उसका डेमो, और फिर उसके बाद थोड़ी सी ग्रेवी और कैसे सब सजावट करके आपको परोसना है, ये सब चीजें मैं आज आपको दिखाऊंगा। तो पहले रहे इंग्रेडिएंट्स। मैंने सब्जियां लिए हैं, गाजर लिया है, पत्ता गोभी, ग्रीन कैप्सिकम, अनियंस, ginger, red chili, green chili, and garlic. Mostly, this is all the ingredients that you will require. Then I have taken some corn flour, as well as I have taken some rice flour, and I have seasoned this only with salt, nothing else. तो होगा यूं कि ये सब सब्जियां मैं इसमें ऐड करना चालू कर दूंगा। Once I've added the vegetables into it, I'll start mixing it together. The most important part about making these Manchurian balls, or the Manchurian gravy balls that you're going to be making today, is that you have to make sure that these vegetables get coated. इसको properly coat करना है rice flour और corn flour और salt के mixture के साथ। एक चीज मैं बताना जरूर चाहूंगा कि ये सब्जियां जो हमने काटी है, you have to make sure that you cut them very fine. The reason is, आप जितना उसको पतला काटेंगे उतना वो अच्छे से बाइंड होगा। यूजुअली हम लोग जब भी इंडस्ट्रियल किचन या प्रोफेशनल किचन में हम लोग बनाते हैं, इसको हम लोग एक दिन पहले बना के रख देते हैं। तो जैसे इसको एक दिन पहले बना के रख दिया, फिर उसके साथ हम लोग उसको कवर करके रैप करके प्रॉपरली स्टोर करेंगे, एंड देन वी यूज इट द नेक्स्ट डे। वी वोंट यूज इट द सेम डे दैट वी आर मेकिंग इट। So now, for the moisture, what are we going to add? पानी ऐड कर सकते हैं, लेकिन एक थोड़ी सी ट्रिक है कि हम इसमें थोड़ा सा क्लब सोडा ऐड कर देंगे। क्लब सोडा से क्या होगा, वो जो एक एरेशन आ जाता है, the Manchurian balls that you will have, they will be a little more airy. They'll be light, fluffy. At the same time, they'll be nice and crisp. तो अभी ये मिक्सचर जो हम लोगों ने बना के रखा है, this mixture, I'll store it. I won't use it to make the Manchurian balls right away. But this mixture is going to get stored in the refrigerator, where it will take its own time. The seasoning will get inside. जो salt हमने डाला है, जो सोडा, अभी क्लब सोडा जो हम लोगों ने इसके अंदर ऐड किया है, all of that will come together with the rice flour, with the corn flour and the salt, and it will set properly. So to give you an understanding how it is going to work, I'm going to show you prepare Manchurian balls. ये मैंने कल रखे थे बना के, तो आपको एक अंदाजा आएगा कि it is exactly what I have used today. I've used the same ingredients yesterday. I've made them, and I have made sure that they are nice and chilled. I made sure that they are portioned out nicely. ये आपके ऊपर है कि आपको उसको एकदम पक्का गोल बनाना है या आपको उसको थोड़ा सा आड़ा टेढ़ा रखना है. It is up to an individual's choice. हम लोग बोलते हैं कि you roll it out nicely. So I've tried my level best to make them nice and round. Now once I've done that, I'm going to make sure that I have my oil for deep frying, which is nice and hot. So that is one thing that you have to be very mindful of working in the kitchen. Simultaneous चीजें आपको काम करनी होती है. जैसे अभी मैं ये सब सामग्री आपको दिखा रहा था, सब चीजें दिखा रहा था. At the same time, I had made sure my oil is getting heated up. Previous recipe में chef रिजवान ने आपको बताया था कि how you go and check your oil, whether it is nice and hot, whether it is too hot or not. You have to check that also. The same thing हम लोग भी करेंगे. Our oil is also nice, it's beautifully done. The same, you have to deep fry them. So just make sure you don't hurt yourself while you're deep frying anything. It's one of the most common things that people tend to do, that get themselves bored. तो ये चीजें आपको ध्यान में रखनी बहुत जरूरी है. जैसे आप उसको एक बार हल्के से ऑयल में छोड़ दिए, you don't need to be worried about it at all. Just make sure that they don't stick to each other. उतना ध्यान रखना है. बाकी the rest will keep on going. जैसे ये deep fry हो रहे हैं, we'll move on to the next segment where we are gonna make sure that we are gonna make a gravy. ग्रेवी बनाने के लिए जो चीजें मैं इस्तेमाल करने वाला हूँ वो मैं आपके सामने रख देता हूँ. We're gonna have the same set of vegetables but cut in a different way, just so that you have an understanding of the same. Then I have some condiment sauces that we're gonna flavor our gravy with, and but last but not the least, we have a stock that is going to be our base of our gravy. बीच-बीच में उनको चेक करते रहिए कि कैसे हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, so you don't lose track of time. At the same time, okay. ग्रेवी बनाने के लिए यूजुअली बाहर आप पानी इस्तेमाल करते हुए लोगों को देखेंगे, बट we being culinary school, we being chefs, we have our own set of things that we teach our students, wherein we have made sure that they understand what gravies are, what sauces are. उसके लिए हम लोगों ने ये स्टॉक बनाया है. It's nothing but a very simple vegetable stock जो हम लोगों ने बनाया है, जिसमें जानकारी देने के लिए मैं आपको बता सकता हूं कि जो सब्जियां मैंने डाली है इसके अंदर, they are all peels of my vegetables. So whatever onions and carrots I've used over here, उसके जो छिलके थे उससे मैंने ये स्टॉक बनाया है. So at culinary school, we chefs try and teach our students not to waste anything. We try and teach them that whatever you have in the kitchen, nothing should go into the garbage. We try and teach them that from day one, so the understanding is very clear about it. तो इसके लिए ये स्टॉक है, और मैंने इधर थोड़ा सा कॉर्नफ्लोर भी लिया हुआ है. कॉर्नफ्लोर इसके लिए थोड़ी सी ग्रेवी जो है उसको हम थिक करेंगे, उसके साथ जब भी सर्व करेंगे मंचूरियन बॉल्स के साथ, तो इट हैज टू बी अ लिटिल थिक. सो नाउ टू टेक दिस प्रोसेस फर्दर अहेड, just to make you understand, what I've done is I've already deep fried some Manchurian balls for you. These are done exactly the way these ones are going right now. Just to give you an understanding, this is how it is looking now. This is how it is going to look later. So your understanding will be there. ये चीजें हम लोग थोड़ा सा fast forward में इसके लिए कर रहे हैं because we have a little time boundness on our hands. At the second, this becomes a little easier for ourselves also, because then we are like talking and giving you all the necessary information that you require for the same. Abhi, I'm just gonna let these Manchurian balls keep on frying, and we're gonna move on to our next segment of the recipe. As I said, that we're gonna do the gravy for the Manchurian itself. थोड़ा सा तेल, जैसे ही तेल गर्म हो जाएगा उसके अंदर हम लोग ये बारीक कटा हुआ अदरक, लहसुन, लाल मिर्च और हरी मिर्च ऐड कर देंगे.
शेफ, हम क्वेश्चन ले सकते हैं?
यस प्लीज.
आप बेसिकली जब आपका रेसिपी खत्म हो जाएगा तो प्लीज एक रन डाउन दीजिए.
ओके.
कुछ लोग बाद में ऐड हुए हैं.
श्योर.
फिर सेकंड क्वेश्चन है राइस एंड कॉर्नफ्लोर का क्वांटिटी.
ओके.
और लास्ट में जो क्वेश्चन है वो प्लीज कंफर्म हाउ लॉन्ग कैन वी कीप द मंचूरियन बॉल्स इन द रेफ्रिजरेटर.
इन द रेफ्रिजरेटर. ओके, आई विल टेक दैट क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, जिसके बारे में आपने पूछा है कि हाउ लॉन्ग कैन वी स्टोर इट. To be very honest, you can store it for 3 days if you have a good refrigerator, and if you are there is one common mistake that every household people do it, or even the chefs do it, that they forget to cover it. तो आप जब भी मंचूरियन बॉल्स आप कवर स्टोर करेंगे, आप मेक श्योर कीजिए कि यू कवर देम प्रॉपर्ली, क्योंकि क्या होता है अगर उनको कवर नहीं किया गया तो दे स्टार्ट ड्राइंग आउट ऑन यू एंड देन द ड्राइंग प्रोसेस जस्ट ruins the entire taste. But 3 days is I would say that is more than enough. 4th day, no, then it should not be used. Corn flour and rice flour ki quantity is 200 grams of corn flour that I've taken to 150 grams of rice flour and a pinch of salt just to give the flavor to it. Once this oil is nice and hot, you add your vegetables, your spicing ingredients into it, that is the ginger garlic, red chili, green chili. Once I see that it is nicely flavorful, the most long cooking vegetable, that's the carrots, because we have not parboiled, we have not blanched them, we're just using them nice and raw. But we have made sure that they're like properly cut. Once those go inside, एक थोड़ा सा stir देंगे उसको, just making sure that they don't stick. This recipe is nice, quick and easy. If you do all your prep ahead of time, life is very easy with this recipe. जैसे ये हो गया पत्ता गोभी, यूजुअली वॉक नामक चीज होती है घर में या हमारे रेस्टोरेंट की चीज में जो हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं, बट इफ यू हैव अ थिक कढ़ाई दैट यू कैन यूज, that is also working well with me over here. Usually this recipe or especially this type of cooking needs gas, जो घर में होता है जिसकी फ्लेम हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, but in the new age world working on the induction is also not bad. प्याज ऐड कर दिया, added the green capsicum as well. While that's going on, just give it a nice stir. Make sure that all the vegetables are getting coated with the oil. Once that happens, that I see that my vegetables are cooked the way I want them, I'll incorporate the vegetable stock into it. The vegetable stock is again on you, how much you want to add and how much of the gravy that you would require for your own household purpose. Usually I took 500 ml. Out of that I've used 300, so 200 is still balanced. Now I'm going to let that come to a rolling boil. Till that happens, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a slurry. Slurry is something that we make with water or your stock and corn flour. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to incorporate some stock into this. And now I'm going to keep on stirring it, making sure that there are no lumps. Very important that you make sure that there are no lumps in this slurry. लम्स हो गए तो फिर वो गाढ़ा होने में जब भी आप उसको ऐड करेंगे पैन के अंदर वो मजा नहीं आएगा. Just be a little careful with that. If you see, I've made the slurry. The slurry is to be added only to the pan when there is a nice rolling boil. बीच में आप उसको ऐड करोगे तो मजा नहीं आएगा. You won't have that thickening flavor coming together to it. Now you can see that there is a nice rolling boil to it that I'm happy with. एक जरूरी चीज सबको बताना चाहूंगा कि हमने salt अभी तक कहीं भी ऐड नहीं किया है, because we have our Manchurian balls that we are going to use. They are already seasoned. Then our stock is flavorful, Plus, we're going to use some condiments, that is the soy sauce. That is very salty if you use from a good quality. So you have to be very careful with this. So once I have a proper rolling boil, I'm going to start incorporating the slurry into my pan. Once I've added the slurry, I'm going to start giving it a nice stir. Once I've added that, just going to let it thicken up on me properly. अभी आप इसको थोड़ा सा गौर से देखेंगे तो आपको ध्यान में आना चालू हो जाएगा that it has started to thicken on me. Once it starts to thicken on me, I'm going to introduce the Manchurian balls into it. Once I've done that, I'm going to give it a nice stir. Now I'm going to reduce my flame and I'm going to start seasoning the gravy. पहले थोड़ी सी रेड चिली सॉस, फिर आएगा थोड़ा सा टोमेटो केचप, फिर अंत में हम उसमें डालेंगे नाइस सोया सॉस. वापस make sure that you give it a nice stir. Make sure that all of these sauces that you've added to your gravy get properly mixed. Now I'm going to turn the flame a little higher so all the flavors start coming back together. A very important step that you should always probably, I would say, practice in your houses also is that we taste our food before we serve it to the guest. So something that we always follow it. Taste is nice. Just a little, I'm going to add a pinch bit of the soy and I'm going to add a pinch bit of the ketchup. Same thing again, before serving, make sure that I taste it. This is exactly where I want it now. I have it where I want it. So, it is set. Turn off your flame. Now, I'm just going to do a little bit of presentation for it. Whatever we are teaching our students, we as chefs need to practice the same. We tell our students nowadays that people or the guests especially that we serve to eat with their eyes more than their mouth. But as we grew up, as we were cooks and chefs, or when we were growing up, we were mostly told that it is better that you keep your food nice, make sure that it is tasty, and if it is nice and tasty, like is said. But the things have changed over the past few years. So we as cooks and chefs have also adopted certain things. So now that my plate presentation is ready, I'll start portioning it out. Certain things you as cooks at home might not agree with us, but we, as I said, as hotel chefs, we always believe in serving in odd numbers rather than even numbers. There's a big story or a history behind it, but that is something that we have practiced till now. making sure that the bowl is nice and clean. Once I have that in the center, garnish it a little, and then just to be a little bit more towards the fancier side, you're gonna put this just to give it a nice eye appeal. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this small little recipe that we've done today. It is about vegetable Manchurian with veg gravy. And taking the questions that I had, the first question that there has to be a recap. The recap, what I can do is I can tell you what are the ingredients that went into the Manchurian. We had carrots, onions, capsicums, and we had we had onions, carrots, capsicums, and cabbage. Then we had ginger garlic and red chilies and green chilies, and all of that chopped up very fine. The vegetables that we used, all of them were cut into thin strips that were very fine. That we mixed with the mixture of corn flour as well as the rice flour that was seasoned with salt. There was a tip that was given to you all that was regarding adding club soda to your batter rather than just plain water. That was about the vegetable Manchurian. Then for the gravy, we used this flavorful liquid that we called a stock. Uh, then we had the same set of vegetables. Then we had the same set of vegetables, but they were cut differently. And we seasoned it with all these condiments that we used. So we had soy sauce, we had red chili sauce, and then we had tomato ketchup. These were the sauces that we used. We made sure that we thickened out the gravy with corn flour and the stock itself. We did not use water. So all of this was a quick recap. Then you saw how the deep frying went. Then you saw how the gravy was made. And then you saw that how all of that came together and turned out to be a beautiful dish. So thank you so much for watching these videos or this live streaming, I should say. Sorry about that.
Yes.
Okay, my bad. Another question. Yes, please.
There are 4 questions.
Oh, okay.
One is very interesting and first of its kind.
Okay.
Can we use kokum syrup or agar for an extra flavor?
Kokum, yes, you can, but then I would change using certain ingredients. I won't go with the soy sauce, to be honest. Then I'll only use the kokum syrup, but I'll taste it before I add it to my dish. And then there's another thing that I would say, that if you're using the kokum, if you're using the kokum agar, please make sure that it is not sweetened. Use the one that is completely raw, natural product that you get from the Konkan area. Please don't use the sweetened product, because then it is going to ruin the entire taste for your Manchurian gravy. You can use it, but provided you will have to adjust certain seasonings, you will have to adjust soy sauce. You will not be able to use soy sauce. You will not be able to use tomato ketchup and the red chilies. You will only have to work on green chilies, red chilies as your main spices, and ginger, yes, garlic, yes, salt. You'll have to adjust again, but I don't see why not we cannot use kokum or the kokum agar that we have. I hope that answers your question.
Thank you, Chef. Now moving further, what does soya sauce exactly do?
What does soy sauce exactly do? Soy sauce gives it that pungence, that tang, and the saltiness that you get. Like if you've taken the entire recipe, if you followed it completely, you must have seen that I did not use salt anywhere. I did not have salt at my station at any given point of time. The reason is I had soy sauce. Quality of soy sauce across the globe, you'll find them different. सोय सॉस जैसे जैसे आप इंडिया में कोई अच्छे सुपरमार्केट में जाएंगे, कोई भी सुपरमार्केट में जाएंगे, आपको पता चलेगा कि there's a quality of soy sauce. There's a little cheaper version, then there is a little pricey version. The more branded you go, the more flavorful it will, and it gives that saltiness, the pungence, and then the fermented flavor also, जो आता है soy sauce. I hope that satisfies.
Yes, sir. The other question is, most of the Chinese food has spring onion. Why have you not used it? But I think you have used it.
These are the spring onions. and these are the spring onions I've used it. It's very common question to ask why not. I have used it in my garnish because spring onions currently not best coming in the season. So we as cooks again decide what we want to use. It's not like a mandate that you have to have spring onions. If they are not in the season, please don't use them because then you're ruining your own product and your taste buds that we have probably developed. So I hope that is one.
Yeah, sure. Then another question, after making and frying the Manchurian balls, in how many days can they be stored?
24 hours. After you have fried them, only 24 hours, not more than that. Again, a very common mistake we cooks, chefs, and household cooks do is they forget to cover it while they're putting it into the refrigerator. Always make sure that they are lined with either parchment paper or you can line it with a plastic wrap. Please do not line them with paper towel. If you line them with paper towel, the entire oil that you used for deep frying is going to suck into the paper towel, and your Manchurians are going to be completely dry, which you don't want. You want them to be nice and moist. At the same time, you want them to have that crispness into it. So 24 hours is the last. After that, I would not suggest anyone to store them and use them. It is not something that you want to eat or consume after 24 hours.
All right, Chef, we are at the end of the questions.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, wonderful.
We would
Okay, all my fellow staff members across India, from Symbiosis School of Culinary Arts, I would extend a warm thanks to all of you. Can I invite Chef Bhushan and Chef Rizwan to be on the stage again?